Greetings, fellow travelers, and welcome to another exciting episode. This one is titled Vienna Unveiled. Today, we're peeling back the layers of this incredible city to uncover the hidden gems, secret tales, and unique experiences that make Vienna a true treasure trove for explorers. Let's discover what the capital of Austria has waiting for us. Our journey begins with the enigmatic Haas House facade. This architectural marvel, nestled amid the historic charm of St. Stephen's Cathedral, is a captivating blend of old and new. It's like a window into Vienna's architectural evolution. Beneath the elegant Ringstrasse, a hidden world of tunnels lies in wait, concealing stories of wartime resilience and peacekeeping in Vienna. These tunnels have played crucial roles in the city's history, offering a glimpse into Vienna's past that few get to witness. Descend below ground and embark on an intriguing journey through time, where the echoes of history resonate. Our next stop introduces you to the Narrenturm, Europe's oldest psychiatric hospital. Step inside this unique circular building, a symbol of compassion and understanding towards mental health during a time when it was often misunderstood. Explore its history, witness its evolution, and uncover the stories of resilience and compassion that reside within its walls. Before we dive into more marvelous tales, if you love this video and find it informative, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It is the support of our viewers that keeps us motivated to share these hidden wonders. From all of us at Unseen Wonders and Lesser Legends, we deeply appreciate it. Now, back with our adventure, we unveil the secret Ankeruhr, an Art Nouveau clock tucked away in a charming hidden courtyard. Watch in awe as the clock comes alive to share tales of Austria's history. This exquisite timepiece not only tells the hour, but also brings Vienna's past to life, making it a must-see for history buffs and those with an eye for elegant design. Up next, you won't want to miss the whimsical Hundertwasser House, a colorful masterpiece crafted by renowned artist-architect Friedensreich Hundertwasser. Its vibrant exterior is a testament to Vienna's embrace of art and creativity. Step inside this architectural wonder to discover its hidden secrets and the artist's vision that turned a housing complex into a living work of art. Did you know Vienna is home to the world's oldest Ferris wheel? Step back in time on the iconic Wiener Riesenrad, a symbol of the city's enduring spirit, having remarkably survived both world wars relatively unscathed. It became a symbol of Vienna's resilience and was operational even during challenging times. The views from the top are simply breathtaking, including landmarks like St. Stephen's Cathedral and the Danube River. We will be finishing our location countdown by escaping to a world of globes and maps at the Globe Museum. This hidden gem showcases the art and history of cartography, a must-visit for geography enthusiasts. We will wrap it up with a legend, a myth surrounding the mystery of one of Austria's most famous people, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, and his skull, hidden away in a Vienna library. Uncover the peculiar journey of this iconic composer's remains and the enigmatic circumstances that led to the separation of his skull from his body. And there you have it, a comprehensive tour of Vienna's hidden treasures, each with a unique story. These extraordinary destinations will add depth and richness to your Vienna experience, whether you're an art lover, a history enthusiast, or simply seeking the city's most enchanting corners. If you're planning a visit to Vienna, or are an avid explorer of hidden gems during your travels, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more captivating travel inspiration. Thanks for joining us.